Hi, so I'm going to prepare a home remedy for cough. So you just see the process and it's very effective. Okay, so for preparing concoction, you require pepper, cumin, ginger, and turmeric. So these are the ingredients I'm gonna use. See, I grinded all this mixture and see the water is boiling and I added turmeric in it, and also I'm adding all this mixture so that it gets boiled nicely. And see, once all the mixture has been added, so it should boil like this and the water should come 1/3 of it. Okay, it should boil very well. All right, so I'm adding Jagger in it. So I have added in the last part. So it's getting boiled well. So still 2 more minutes I'll keep it. This is the final outcome. So this is how the concoction looks like. So just try it out and tell me the remedy how it works. Thank you.